MPskin is a Matterport overlay to extend and customize your digital twins. Especially in Italy, the big use of Matterport is tourism and the cultural sector. Of course, in Europe, we saw immediately that we need some important features like multilingualism and user content management system. With the API and SDK, we created the features multilingualism, customizable menu, the user and content management system, extendable HTML to customize tour branding. We have approximately 8,000 tours made with MPskin. The use of Matterport in the tourism sector, I think, is the future.
MPskin is a great module for us to plug in. We have a lot of data. ID360 has a lot of different photos and metadata about assets. So being able to accommodate some of those creature comfort features, white labeling URLs, maybe multiple photos and carousels, custom assets, matter tag icons, to really enhance the Matterport experience altogether.
I think in the future, every apartment or hotel has to have a digital twin.